Hello.
你好，我是 Hannah。
你好，我是 Rachel。
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, NeoinCanada. 欢迎回到我的频道。Today I'm going to hiking with my friends Hannah and Rachel. It's my first hiking in Canada. I'm so excited. Let's go! What's no balancing like?
Hey, don't come like that.
Slow down, Rachel.
Really crossing out all that speed.
Rach. Oh my god, Rach, come say hi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Honestly, I could sit up here. Like this.
Oh. Nice. Great.
Say hi, Hannah.
你看远处，好像你自己是在云端之上，超酷的。It's worth it. It looks so nice. It's awesome. 我不知道你们会不会看到那边有那个冰山，超漂亮的。Everyone say cheese.